We got a 2019 Chrysler 300S. Got the 5.7 Hemi in there. We deleted everything, put a couple of Flowmaster Outlaws in there, straight pipes out the back. That's what the mid mufflers look like. And then there's the back mufflers there. So let me put it up in air, I'll show you what we did. Alright. This is what we did. They all come with that X pipe in there already. Put a couple of the Flowmaster Outlaws in there. A couple of delete pipes. Everything went nice and smooth. Start this thing up and let you hear it. Alright, let's see what this sounds like. So the Flowmaster Outlaws. '19 Chrysler 300 with Flowmaster Outlaws.